So let's talk about Motorola. Wait, Google, Samsung. Yeah, no, this is just a mock-up of the Google Pixel Flip, not Fold, and what it would, in theory, potentially look like. And to be honest, yeah, I don't think Google anytime soon is coming out with a flippable cell phone, right? And it definitely looks interesting. No outside display would be also a atrocious look with all the great flippable cell phones nowadays from Samsung and Motorola. That camera notch is definitely chunky. And I will definitely say, maybe this is the next step forward. I still couldn't see a situation where they wouldn't have an outside display. But you could, in theory, make an argument. The Z Flip series, their camera is not the best. So get a really flagship cell phone camera system on the Google Pixel Flip phone. And if you add an outside display at the bottom there, I'm just saying this could actually work out a little bit better than that. Like, this wouldn't be the worst idea in the world if you went ahead and did that. Now, another concept. Yeah. This is also, little side note, this apparently is why Google is waiting and they're not releasing a flippable cell phone, is because of this beautiful crease in the middle that eventually, in some flippable cell phones, not all, eventually breaks. And the screen was peeling off the first iteration of the Razr, and that's also, again, another reason why they're waiting. They're also waiting because they want to focus on the 10 Pro Fold. Going down a tad bit more, this is another concept picture, which, again, is clearly a Z Flip device with someone putting the Google Pixel camera setup on the back. Yeah. I don't think we're ever going to get a Google Pixel Flip. I really don't think we will. The Pixel Fold is very popular, doing very well. And don't get me wrong, Samsung's, Z Flip and I'll say OnePlus, but OnePlus is probably not going to release anytime soon for a flippable cell phone, that is. They're going to release their OnePlus Open 2 next year. But for Samsung and Motorola, it's very successful. But I just don't think Google really is wanting to join the flip. They kind of like the fold market, and they're kind of sticking where they are. But, hey, listen, concepts, not this one. Concepts still look pretty good. And let's be honest, software is only getting better. Software is only improving. And it's going to continue to improve as time goes on. So, I would love for Google to release a Pixel Flip, but again, it's just not going to happen, man. It's not going to happen. But better camera setup on the flip phones would also be a humongous W.